Hi, I'm Jacqueline Libo-Cote, president of Collette. At Collette, the well-being of our guests is our #1 priority, as it has been for over 100 years. That's why we have evolved our Traveling Well experience in response to the ever-changing global climate. We have partnered with medical experts and regulatory agencies to better understand restrictions and compliance obligations. This has allowed us to reintroduce touring and protects our guests and employees and allow for safe explorations. As a third-generation family-owned company, we take great care to protect you, our valued guests, and our dedicated team, because the Collette family strives to always be traveling well.
I think this trip has been a real highlight. We've taken several trips with Collette before, and this one was special.
Oh, it has been such a wonderful trip, especially to be back on the road again, so that makes it wonderful. We've been having a really good time, and even the crowds that we go to, we keep ourselves spaced out, so that's been really good. So I appreciate Collette and what they have really done as far as making sure that we are all healthy and ready to travel.
Collette has gotten us back on the road in the safest manner we can. We're implementing reduced capacity in the buses. The buses are being cleaned. All the restaurants, hotels, museums, every place we go are using all the social distancing and cleaning that we require to keep our guests safe. We have everyone wear a mask on the bus. In our small situations, we're also using little microphones so we can guide more easily without having to be right next to each other. Just trying to keep everything as safe as we can in the current situation.
I have been on Collette at least 12 times, and also I haven't been that many places in the United States of America, so this is really special to me. One thing that I love about Collette, and I've always loved about Collette, is that from the time you meet your fellow travelers, you have a sense of camaraderie, and everybody is always ready to have a really great time, ready for an adventure.
I would recommend this trip to anyone who would love to come, because there's so much to see, so much to learn, and the people here are so friendly, and there is so much to do. We should stay here longer so that we can enjoy more of it.
Anybody that's ready to get out of the house and travel, this is a great way to start back. Traveling the United States is always going to be wonderful. There are so many sights to see here. You don't have to travel internationally to have a good time and to see this wonderful country that we live in. So I would encourage anybody. All of the state parks are wonderful. It'd be a great way to get started.
We are excitedly, optimistically, and carefully exploring again, and we want you to feel comfortable making your own travel comeback with Collette. So visit us at collette.com/travelingwell to learn more about all of the wellness protocols like social distancing and cleaning, as well as how our professional tour management team has been trained on security and preparedness. We can't wait to see you again doing what we love to do best, traveling well and making memories of a lifetime.